day and night. Ah, shapes, shapes all around. Triangles, squares on the ground. Stars and hearts, oh what fun. Let's name the shapes one by one. Circle, triangle, heart, star and square are the shapes anywhere.